You really do not have to let everyone know that you are stupid. They will eventually realize if you are. I mean, you don't need to act all proud and, pretending you know things you don't know. You don't need to act like you were the best of anything if you don't. If you aren't, I mean, you can never be the stupidest one in the room if you never let them know. Just open your mouth, say something offensive. Like, I'm the expert here and you don't know anything, with other words. Or just correcting people without listening. You know, sometimes playing the expert is just rude. And nobody really knows what you are capable of, or what you are capable of, or what you are interested in. I mean, or what you can actually do, because sometimes people just want to find the solution for a problem, and that's just not useful information. So please try to do active listening. Please try to communicate what you want to communicate, and never get proud. Never get proud. Stay with your feet on the ground and listen. Do active listening, practice it, learn it. Everywhere, every single time you hear something, you can just learn so much from anyone. It's incredible. Just don't be stupid. Just keep on learning. Thank you.